People invite more scrutiny than they need in EB1. Everybody is VP. VP of this, VP of that. There's a Hindi कहावत, बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे, छेद कर देंगे उसमें. Leading or critical role. Which one should you select and why? Hello, my name is Aditi Paul. In a previous life, I used to be a professor. Now I talk non-stop about EB1 because I have become the green card Didi. But through this line of work, something that I have realized is people invite more scrutiny than they need in EB1. Sometimes we make our own lives harder than it needs to be. Now, what do I mean by that? I've read some petitions where the line will say, or the sentence will say, Mr. Rakesh Singhania, totally a made-up name, is a leading and critical role in his company. I was like, sir, why did you claim both? USCIS themselves says that it's leading or critical. Why are you making your life hard by saying you're both? Now you have to prove both. And it's easier to prove or less RFE-esque to prove one than the other. Now, the moment that you say or you claim that you're in a leading role, USCIS will want to see proof of that. Now, one of the most common proofs that people will give to prove that they are of leading capacity is an org chart. They will show that they are a director, and then they have direct reports that is longer than the Dothraki army. And they're like, yeah, of course I am leading. Look at me. I'm director, 20 direct reports. Offshore team is also responding to me. I am the big honcho in the family. I am leading. And then USCIS officer will open the massive org chart and see there are 5 more directors like you. Now you've given them an in. Now they'll say that, oh, there are multiple of you. You're not leading. So the first thing that you need to ensure when you are claiming leading role is that you are truly leading in the varied sense. Like you are one of a few. Like if you are a VP or a CTO of a company, yeah, leading role. And I don't mean VP in finance. What is going on with that industry? Everybody is VP. VP of this, VP of that. Finance industry will give out these titles like my niece's class gives out participation trophies. Everybody has a massive ass ego. I am VP of such and such. Sir. Anyways, but what I mean by that is your title is not what makes you leading. The rarity of your position makes you leading. So when you are claiming leading role, make sure that you are one of a very, very few in your company. Now, I have dissed on finance. Not going to apologize about that. If you work in a small company, let's say, that you're like, okay, I work in a company of 200, I'm a director. There's no other director like me. Clearly, I am leading. Possibly. But here is another double-edged sword for that. Because if you work in a small company, USCIS can poke a hole and say that this company is not distinguished enough. This happens more for startups. Yes, you're one of a few, but a few of whom? So you should be very careful when you are playing your hand in EB1. It's not just saying, it's also proving. This is the reason why I've heard that most people are advised to claim critical role. Critical role is a less of a steep hill to climb compared to leading role and opens you up to less risks of pushback if you prove criticality correctly. If you want to know that how to prove your criticality, I've shot multiple videos on this. Go watch. But if you have to prove that you're critical to the company, you cannot just say you just made millions of dollars. You have to show how you saved the company, that you were the savior of this company, that you led an initiative, or you mitigated risks, or you escalated and made the distinguished nature of your company even more distinguished. Because of your presence, the company is in a better place. You have to raise the stakes that much. But be very careful what you claim in EB1. I learned this from immigration attorney Ian Campbell, where he has his own list of 9 EB1 principles. And the first sentence of one of those principles is write defensively. Do not give an in to the USCIS officer, because once they have one in, there's a Hindi कहावत, बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे, छेद कर देंगे उसमें. They'll make a mountain out of a molehill. When you could have avoided it if you only knew which word to use, but most importantly, which word to not use. It is leading or critical, not leading and critical. I hope this was helpful.